Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, we're going to be cooking up some amazing meals that we just got in from Hellofresh. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you the meals that we got that we're going to be cooking today in this video, and also tell you a little bit about Hellofresh. I also want to thank Hellofresh for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a way to save money this year on groceries, Hellofresh is the perfect way to cut back on cost. It's fast, easy, and affordable, and you can create high-quality meals right at home. HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% cheaper than takeout. Make sure to check out my link down below in the description and use my coupon code as well to save even more on your HelloFresh purchase. We chose the 3-meal option for 2 people, which costs $28. To me, that price is fabulous compared to what we would spend at the grocery store for these meals, the recipe cards, and the ingredients. So the first meal we're making from this box was the galactic beef melts with purple corn tortilla chips and hot sauce. These are all of the ingredients that came in the bag. We've got fry seasoning, Mexican shredded cheese, an onion, Dijon mustard, the tortilla chips, a long green pepper, hot sauce, beef stock concentrate, and this one actually came with a cool Guardian of the Galaxy's magnet, which was this meal's theme. It also came with 2 baguettes and ground beef. Step 1 is to adjust the rack to the top position and preheat your oven to 450. Next, you're going to halve, core, and thinly slice the green pepper into strips, half peel, and thinly slice the onions as well. Next, toss the green pepper on a baking sheet with a drizzle of olive oil and use half of the fry seasoning and add salt and pepper. Roast the peppers until they're golden brown and tender for 20 to 22 minutes. Now to a pan, add some oil and have your pan on medium-high heat. Add in your onion and season with salt and pepper until brown and softened for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the onion is done, add in your ground beef, the remaining fry seasoning, and salt and pepper, breaking up the meat and cooking until browned and cooked through for 4 to 6 minutes. Once the meat is done, stir in the stock concentrate and mustard, and 2 tablespoons of water. Top that off with the Mexican cheese and cover the pan until the cheese melts for 1 to 2 minutes. In the meantime, I sliced my baguettes in half and popped them in the air fryer to toast them a little. Now that everything is ready, I'm going to load up these little breads here with some of that meat mixture and the roasted green peppers, and then top it off with some hot sauce. Y'all, I can't even tell you how delicious this was. Me and Alan both gave this a 10 out of 10, but honestly, that's what we gave all of these meals because they were all beyond delicious. But this warm, toasty, meaty, cheesy sandwich with a little spice, it just hit the spot. We will definitely be making these again soon. Alright, next we got the crispy buffalo spice chicken with a blue cheese sauce. We're also going to be making scallion mashed potatoes and carrots. This meal was mind-blowing. These are all of the ingredients we got. We've got panko breadcrumbs, blue cheese dressing, sour cream, scallions, Frank's seasoning blend, chicken, fry seasoning, and carrots and potatoes. Step 1, you adjust your racks on the top and middle positions in your oven and preheat it to 425. Trim, peel, and cut your carrots and dice your potatoes. After that, trim and thinly slice scallions, separating the whites from the greens. Toss your carrots on a baking sheet, drizzle with oil, and use half of the fry seasoning. Add salt and pepper and roast on the top rack until golden brown and tender for 20 to 25 minutes. While the carrots are roasting, boil your potatoes and add some salt because we're going to be making some amazing mashed potatoes. I have never had mashed potatoes like this before, and I'm totally obsessed. Now, they suggested using some of the reserved potato water for making the potatoes, but I skipped that and used butter instead. Don't judge. But anyway, mash your potatoes, and when they're done, add some sour cream, then stir in half of the scallion greens, and then season with salt and pepper. After that, you're going to pat your chicken dry and add salt and pepper. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a microwave-safe dish. Once melted, stir in your panko, Frank's seasoning blend, salt and pepper, and mix it all together good. Brush some sour cream over the top of your chicken, and then dip that sour creamed part of the chicken into the panko mixture, pressing it to adhere. Place the chicken coated side up in the baking pan and roast the chicken on the middle rack until brown and cooked through for 15 to 18 minutes. So now we're going to be making some sauce, which I'm going to be making forever now, because once you try it, you'll want it again, I promise. All you have to do is combine blue cheese dressing, scallion whites, and some sour cream. And here I am having to hand mash my potatoes because that Dolly Parton cake mix broke my hand mixer. But it's all good, I can hand mash them just the same. And now it's time to make our plates. Once everything's done, cover your chicken in that sauce and add some scallions. My goodness, the flavors in this meal will make you do a little dance. Dead serious, it's so good. Now for our third and final meal, and let me tell you, I thought that the chicken was my #1 favorite until I had this dish. This next one I could eat every day and not get sick of it. It is so good, y'all, I'm not even playing. It's the Firecracker meatballs with roasted green beans and jasmine rice. The ingredients for this meal is scallions, ginger, mayonnaise, sour cream, honey, soy sauce, sriracha, jasmine rice, ground beef, panko breadcrumbs, and green beans. I went ahead and started my rice, so that's why I showed you the rice in the pot, but step 1 is to get your veggies and stuff ready and adjust your top rack to the top position and preheat your oven to 425. Trim and slice your scallions, separating the whites from the greens again, but this time mince the whites. Peel and mince your ginger as well. In a bowl, make your firecracker sauce, which is mayonnaise, sour cream, honey, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then add your sriracha to taste. Now we're going to combine the beef, panko, scallion whites, ginger, and more soy sauce, plus some salt and pepper, and form your meatballs. Place meatballs on one side of a lightly oiled pan and put your green beans on the other side. Drizzle them with oil and add salt and pepper. Roast until the meatballs are cooked through and green beans are browned and tender for 14 to 16 minutes. Once you're done, season your rice with salt and pepper. I added a little butter. Add your meatballs to a bowl and toss them in the sauce. Then you're going to drizzle the remaining sauce on top of your meatballs and add some green scallions on top. I cannot even explain to you how good this meal was, how good all of the meals were. Definitely things that I would have never thought to make and things I've never tried before, which is why I love Hellofresh so much. Not only is the food delivered to your door with everything you need to make these meals, Hellofresh is super affordable and my coupon will give you an even bigger discount. These meals are so creative, so simple, so delicious, and so easy to make. It's a great way to try new things and to learn how to make things that you would have never thought to make before. Everything was absolutely delicious. All 3 meals, me and my husband give a 10 out of 10, and we highly recommend them. So anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out HelloFresh. I'll have it linked down below, and my coupon code will be down there as well. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you liked today's video, hit that like button. And if you have anything to say, leave it down in the comments, because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.